I feel like I'm not gonna need any sound effects because I'm making them all. Hey guys, it's your girl Kiri and I am back for another video. So today is actually story of my life.
If you hear little sounds here and there, that's him, and his favorite word right now is tree.
That's all he can say. Tree, tree, tree. Everything is a tree to him.
And have a very bad history of always posting things late, so I'm trying really to get this done before January ends because hello, New Year is all about new resolutions.
And I was going to do this on New Year's Eve, but your girl's always late. So I'm actually going to do an unboxing and show you guys my new wallet. Ah, so excited! OMG, my very first Chanel wallet ever. I'm so in love. I'm literally out of words. I don't know what to say, how happy, how blessed I am, because I have always wanted a Chanel and it's just so iconic, classy, and it's literally a dream come true. So the first time I went there, this is actually from the Highland Park boutique in Dallas, and they treated me so nicely. I told them exactly what I wanted, and at the time they didn't have it, and so
I kept contact with one of the associates, and she constantly messaged me telling me hey, we ordered some but it's not here yet, I'll let you know as soon as it gets here. She was just so kind and always updating me so that I get my hands on the one that I really wanted, because it is a classic flap wallet, so it tends to be very popular and get sold out easily. So I just thought that was really nice of her.
Definitely go with her because she is as sweet as ever, and she's gonna do everything to make it happen.
I want to get this done so that I can finally transfer everything from my old falling apart wallet into this new one.
You know, they do give you this nice, really pretty bag. They do the little Chanel bow and everything. Of course, you're getting the nice, pretty flower. I don't know what type of flower that is, but it's the Chanel flower. That's what I call it. And then inside, I have the Chanel card with my receipt in it, and it has that flower again. Oh, here, this is her name.
And so you get the card of the associate that helps you out. You also get this card that helps you download the app and see all your purchases and everything like that.
So the price of this wallet is $1,075, but of course with tax it totaled into $1,163.69. Man, taxes are no joke. I could have bought an entire Figs outfit, which is the tax of $88. Okay,
But you know, it is a Chanel, so.
Inside, they also gave me this, which is actually a glove.
Because she told me that you want to be very gentle with it, and to clean it, basically, just use a glove and just slowly wipe.
Oh my gosh, this is so fancy. Look at that.
You get this. This is probably instructions on how to take care of it. Oh my gosh, it's in French. Yeah, I cannot understand. Oh yeah, there's some English. Okay, good.
To preserve the beauty of your handbag, Chanel advises you to follow these recommendations. Okay, there's a lot of work. Okay, I need to specifically look at the instructions for Lambskin because that's the one that I got.
With a normal use, it's natural for your product to develop a sheen over time. It's a natural phenomenon inherent to the material. Day after day, it will reveal a new aspect of its beauty and of its history and yours. So pretty. Okay, store the item inside the pouch we're not in use. Girl, I'm going to just use this every day now. It's my new everyday wallet, okay? Please follow the guidelines for the exterior finish on your leather item. The lambskin leather is treated as little as possible to preserve their natural suppleness and unique softness and feel. Please take particular care with this type of leather. Rubbing the leather with small circular movements may help reduce the appearance of some superficial marks. Contact
your nearest Chanel if you ever have any questions. Girl, that is what I'm gonna do because I don't have time to be just stressing over this and looking through this again. But there is one in every language, okay, if you need to. So here is the little thing that she gave me. Oh, how cute. It's really soft. I think she said you just put your hand through this, okay? And you just wipe, okay? And that's all it is, seriously. Okay, so I was actually stuck in choosing wallets because I wanted something that I could use every day and is gonna be my wallet for quite a while because I'm
tired of switching back and forth. It just makes me lose stuff, lose my wallet, and so
we're just gonna choose one wallet that I really love, and that's gonna be it. Of course, when I went on the Chanel website, I could not choose because everything was so pretty, and it went down to my top two favorites, which is the classic flap wallet in lambskin and also the boy Chanel wallet in lambskin.
Did I say flapskin? I hope I said lambskin.
Okay, well, I only like things in lambskin. Like, it's just my favorite finish. I do know that caviar will last longer, the caviar calfskin leather, and it's a little bit grainy looking. It's just not my thing. Some people like that because it lasts forever, but I want something pretty. I like that smooth finish, and I understand that lambskin is fragile, but that's how it is. That's part of its beauty. And so
I'm not after something that's gonna last me like 100 years. I'm gonna be dead by then. I just want something beautiful that I appreciate and love, and that's lambskin.
So most of the time, I'm gonna be going for lambskin. I was at the boutique, and then I talked to one of the associates, and I couldn't choose. And then she told me, she's like,
go with a classic flat because it's pretty, it's timeless, and
it's just so you. I was like, okay, I'm sold. So that's honestly really what happened. Do I have any regrets? Not at all, because I am in love with this, and she was right. This is the one for me. So, but without any further ado, let us go on to the unboxing and showing you my new wallet. Yay! Ta-da-da!
Oh my god, I bet you guys are really annoyed by me now. I'm pretty sure that you can feel my excitement through the screen.
I'm so in love.
When I did choose this, they had the box. They didn't have the ribbon thing yet, and they do it right there in front of you. So I'm pretty sure all the associates are trained into making this beautiful, perfect Chanel ribbon.
And then they put the little flower on top. Oh, and guess what? So I was like so obsessed with this flower. I'm just like, I really like it. But they gave me another one. Okay. Your homegirl can use it in her hair and feel extra special.
I have not undone this ever since I bought it, okay? That's how much I wanted to make sure that I get this on video. I wanted to preserve it in its perfect beauty and make sure that it's captured in video before I open it up.
I feel like I'm not gonna need any sound effects because I'm making them all.
Okay, look at that. Oh, the box. I'm already obsessed.
I love how soft it is. Oh my gosh, so soft. That's why I love lambskin. Just after how soft and pretty it is. And inside, you get these little sections you can put in your cards, and this side, that side, you have a little container in there too, and right here. So I don't know if I already mentioned it, but I remember that the lady did tell me that the only thing with lambskin though, again, it's not like caviar that's meant to last forever. So you have to be so careful with it. Like a baby lamb, it's very fragile and it will scratch. So if you want something that's gonna last longer and is gonna be like resistant to scratches and all kinds of stuff, then you probably wanna go with the caviar one. It is gonna be like a more grainy leather. It does feel stronger, but if you are after like this type of look and finish, then lambskin is the way to go. I mean, it's so beautiful, and I told her I'm really not after something that's gonna last me like 30 years. I want to enjoy my wallet. I want to be in love with it, and personally I just wasn't feeling the caviar finish. It's not my thing. So now I'm gonna transfer everything into this wallet. I don't mind getting like a few scratches here and there because that's normal, you know, that's what happens in time. It tells a story. As long as you don't like spill coffee or get like a really bad gash on it, okay, then I would cry. I would straight up cry if that's what happened. But little scratches here and there, it shows you how it aged. I totally forgot to show you guys that inside the wallet, it does come with authentication card, and it's so pretty. I love that it feels like an actual credit card instead of one of those flimsy papers that someone can just rip off. You literally can't rip this off. In the back, it shows the number that I'm covering and then some information, and basically it says we certify the authenticity of this item and confirm that it's been subjected to the most exacting quality control. Its high quality is a symbol of the fine reputation of the trademark. And it also says it in
German. That's weird. Why German? And in Japanese. But keep this with you. You don't. She told me don't put it in your wallet. Put it in your like dust bag or something. So that's what I'm gonna do.
Literally 1 hour later, I finally finished transferring everything I have into this wallet, and that was like so freaking exciting. And that is pretty much it for my unboxing with you guys. If you have any questions, comment it down below, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you for some more. A little preview, if you can see in the bag, I just bought this from Samsonite, and this is actually going to be my hospital bag to prepare everything that I'm going to need postpartum, so that the moment I give birth, my husband can just carry this and we're going. Okay, because this mama is ready to pop. I mean, look at that. I'm ready to pop.